After breaking my mirror, I had to get a new one, and to replace the BMW mirror was just really expensive. For the same price, I was able to get these beautiful DoubleTake mirrors that connect with RAM balls. And I thought, oh, that might be a good idea, because one, if it, God forbid, I fall over or hit something, they're more likely to turn, bend, or move than they are to break. And two, while I'm traveling around, I have the option of putting my 360 camera in more than just one place. So this video is basically showing a bunch of different camera angles that I tested over the last couple of days with the camera in different locations. It definitely gives you more options. In the long run, maybe my videos will get watched and be less boring. But as usual, I really want to show off the beautiful landscape more than I want to show off myself, because, well, look at me. No, not much to look at. But here are the angles. You can see that it's definitely gave me a lot of options, and the quality of the mirrors were pretty good too. Thanks for watching.